Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and reviews on mostly makeup and skincare. But I've got some other fun things that I'm trying to get into. And I have one of those things today. Like, subscribe, comment. That helps me move up in the algorithm. I'm really trying to hit 100 by Wednesday so I can do a little giveaway. We're kind of stuck at 89. It seems like I've been stuck at 89 now for a few days. So, um, and what do you think of the purple from the Miss P. Louise? I used that today, and I'm telling you, purple, blue and purples, I'm kind of scared of. But tell me, what do you think? Do you think it looks good? I'm really not comfortable with it, but you tell me what you think. Okay, so today I have something a little different from what I usually do. It's called Shemakery. Um, and I ordered this a couple months ago. So, first things first, shipping took forever. And, I went kind of back and forth with her, and I understand she is a small business owner. So, I want to give her a little leeway. And you'll see. Let's unbox this, and you can decide whether you think that it's worth the wait. Okay, so here we go. Now, Shemakery, she has a lot of different things. Candles, wax melts, that's the main thing, and soaps. That's what got me um wanting to try it, was because she had different soaps. Okay, so this is a peanut butter and jelly soap bar. I really don't want to open it, but I need to smell it. So I already opened, well, not opened, but this was a cookie. Let me see. Get the wax off of it. I can't remember exactly what it was. It had a little cookie on it. I think it's sugar cookie. It was a sugar cookie candle. Like there was a lot of whipped cream type stuff around it, and then there was a big cookie on it. And it took me a while to find the wick, but once I found it and got it going, oh my gosh, it smells really good. Really, really, really good. Okay. So I'm just going to open the bottom to this, and oh, that's interesting. I don't know. Peanut butter and jelly. Hmm. I really don't know. I mean, it smells good. Don't get me wrong. So look at that. So yeah, I guess, yeah, I probably shouldn't have smelled the cookie first. Like, that probably threw me off a little bit. Okay, so next we have mini pretzels. And trust me, she puts on a lot of the stuff, not edible, do not eat, because I could so see somebody just grabbing that up and eating one. So these are, yeah, wax melts. And you can smell it through the package. I mean, it smells just like pretzels. All right. So next is, this is Sweet Mini Melts French Antiques. So I'm not sure if this is just something she has in her shop or if she made it. I'm not really sure. But that smells very perfumey. I probably won't use those. I'll probably give that away. I'm not sure. Okay. So, okay, and I should have made this clear too. I got two different boxes. One was the bakery box, and one was a mystery box. And the mystery box is full of things that the labels kind of misprinted. Something happened in and it's just messed up. So she fills a box full of that stuff and sends it to you. Now I'm pretty sure okay, I'm going to start to say what was in this was in the bakery box, and I think this was in the mystery box. This was in the bakery box, and this is a soap pop cherry, and it is I can smell it. I don't even have to open it. I can smell it. But I'm gonna go ahead and I've been wanting a cherry scent so bad from Truly, or so yeah, that it smells like a popsicle, or not a popsicle, but a lollipop. So good. So I cannot wait to use that, and I'll let y'all know how it worked out. And so that was a part of the bakery box. Okay, now next we have bath salts, grape and strawberry. I'm probably going to leave this and give this away. And I'm thinking that that was a part of the bakery box. I'm not sure. I should have. So this was what the box looked like, and then the mystery box. Yeah, like everything was wrapped really well, by the way. Like I think all of this stuff is what was in the. I wish I would have. But you can go on her site and see what is in the bakery box, and uh, what's in the so you can figure it out. Again, it's Shemakery, Shemakery, and again, she's a small business owner. Um, okay, so did I show you that? This is wax melts. So I guess that's going to make your house smell like bubble gum. I mean, it's just fun stuff, and that's what I really have been wanting to try. It's just, not just makeup and skincare, but just fun stuff. Okay, so this is not wanting to... Oh, there we go. Okay, so cool. Cool. Oh, yeah, they smell... Oh, that's... that smells really good. Okay, okay, no, I'm gonna save that for last. Okay, so next she has like a skincare stuff. This is repairing detoxification ritual with charcoal, rosewater, jasmine, and clary sage. Boost your cleansing routine. Apply to skin nightly after cleansing and makeup removal. Massage for 60 seconds and rinse. Detoxifies pores. I don't have anything like that, so that's kind of cool. As much skincare stuff as I have, I don't have anything like that. Okay. Next, we have hair therapy scalp serum herbal infusion with nourishing monoe and carinaja oil, real herbs in every bottle. And yes, look at that. We're certain that is real herbs. And I didn't even... So there's not much of a smell there, which that's a good thing, because like, earlier today, I used a Paul Mitchell, some kind of detoxifier on my hair, and I guess I had tea tree oil or something. Oh, it smelled horrible. Not much of a scent there. Actually, maybe a bit of a sweet scent. Okay, and then we have gentle foaming wash, cleanse, removes, makeup, moisturizes. Okay, so I can't wait to try that. And let's see, like, I just got a foam cleanser in my P. Louise box. Like, that's actually, I've got quite a few of those in the last month. Okay, so last but not least, And this was why I wanted to get this box. Like, I just think that this is so cool. This and the other candle, I should have showed you guys the other candle, but I wanted to use it, and I haven't been able to do a video for a couple of days, and I couldn't help it. Like, I was like, I've got to try it. So, I mean, this smells just like a Twizzler or cherry. It smells like cherry. So, I mean, is that not awesome? I love it. That's some really cool stuff. Okay, so like I was saying, it took a month or a couple of months to get. So, if you think that that's worth the 2 month wait, then absolutely find her and order. I That was 70 something, 72, $73, and she might be able to get it out to you faster than she got it out to me. I know that there was a couple of times that she was having a hard time with staff, and then she came down with, she was sick or I think she said her family was the ones that were sick, not necessarily her. So again, small business owner, we want to support small business owners. And uh I got really frustrated while I was waiting on this to come. And once I got it, as soon as I got it, I emailed her and I was like, it was worth the wait. You have a wonderful, wonderful talent. So, you know, I would love for you to go look her up and order a couple of things. I think that it was worth the 2 month wait. So, all right, well, I'm going to end it there. I've got another box that I'm getting ready to do. So I will see you guys in the next. Bye.